Okay, guys. Come on. No picking, Layla. And open up! Ta-da! What do you think? What was wrong with your old car? This is my old car. Come on, get it. It's invisible. Whew. What? It's a mightier destiny. Wait, what's that? What? Oh! Wait, what? Wait, what? Ooh. Don't just sit there! Push the button! Which one is the button? I think you choose that one. Okay. Come on! I'll get it! I'm sorry! Well, push that button! Oh, come on, really? Don't touch anything. I'll do it. Oh my goodness! Oh, no. Mommy, why the car is crazy? And what's that? Huh? I don't know. And that's a costume and a human. Like a costume and a human. Because it's not Halloween yet. It kind of looks like a mascot. That doesn't make even sense. Oops. Get out of the car, please. Get out, Get out of my car! Nope. Yes, Nathan? I don't think this is an old car. I miss my old car. You know, I'm like clang, bang. You want to walk? Yes.